The law requires that when you import goods, you have to declare, and to make a declaration you need a clearing agent, and so they still play a significant role, almost 50% of the role. What we do is to assess, verify, inspect the cargo, and confirm the taxes paid. So they still have business, and that's why we are continuing to work together to improve their competencies and make sure that they are up to the job they need to play. We cannot focus on building competencies, enhancing integrity within URA and forget about the outside, because they have a role. They interact with the business, they declare their goods, and so they must have the same set of skills that we expect from a URA officer.
We are training are now free. They can it conforms or adheres to the free movement of labor. People are ready. Our people are ready to move from one country to the other using the same certificate, because it's regionally recognized. And we are proud, because I think we are the only industry that went ahead the whole integration process to realize that we shall need free movement of labor within our industry. And of course, for the same reason, because of the nature and importance of our industry in as far as free movement of cargo is concerned.